Imagine the human body as a dynamic construction site where a vast team of specialized workers and materials come together to create, maintain, and protect the marvel of human life. Just like any well orchestrated construction project, every component has a specific role, and each process is carefully coordinated to ensure smooth operation. Among the countless elements that make this site functional, proteins stand out as some of the most versatile and essential workers, performing roles as varied as structural support, transportation, and even security. Proteins as essential construction workers. The building blocks of structure proteins, formed from combinations of amino acids, are the foundational materials that create structure within the body. In construction terms, they are like the beams and supports that provide stability and shape to a building. Structural proteins, like collagen and keratin, are the framework upon which tissues and organs are built, giving shape to everything from skin to muscle fibers. Without these essential construction materials, the human body would lack form and strength, much like a building without its support beams. Architects and engineers of biological processes, proteins, aren't only the building materials, they're also the architects and engineers of the site. Enzymatic proteins act as catalysts for nearly every chemical reaction, carefully orchestrating the body's complex processes. Imagine enzymes as the skilled construction workers who speed up specific tasks, such as energy production, digestion, and cellular repair. Their tools, known as active sites, allow them to interact with specific molecules, ensuring that each reaction proceeds efficiently. Much like specialized tools help construction workers complete their tasks faster and with precision. Transport couriers. Some proteins take on the role of transporters, moving essential materials to different areas within the construction site. For instance, hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells, acts as a courier, carrying oxygen from the lungs to tissues and organs. Similarly, other transport proteins shuttle nutrients, waste, and signals across cell membranes, ensuring that each department of the body's construction site has what it needs to function effectively. This constant flow of supplies maintains a seamless operation across the entire body. Maintenance and repair crews proteins are also responsible for upkeep and repair. When tissues are damaged, structural proteins come into play, rebuilding and reinforcing areas in need of attention. Just as maintenance workers repair cracks or reinforce structures in a building, proteins ensure that cells and tissues remain strong and resilient, capable of withstanding daily wear and tear. Immune security guards. The immune system's antibodies, which are specialized proteins, serve as the body's security team. They patrol the construction site, identifying and neutralizing potential threats like bacteria and viruses. In essence, these proteins keep the site secure, acting swiftly to prevent intruders from causing harm. Adaptability and versatility. Proteins are highly adaptable, changing their function based on the body's needs. Much like workers who can take on various roles, depending on the project demands, proteins can switch tasks to support different processes. For example, proteins in muscle fibers adjust during exercise to promote strength and endurance, while others become more active during times of illness, aiding in immune responses. In the construction site that is the human body, proteins are the versatile workers and building materials that ensure each structure stands strong, each process flows smoothly, and every challenge is met with a precise, functional response. From the beams of our cells to the couriers of our blood, proteins are the backbone of our biological structure, keeping the site operational, secure, and continuously evolving.